There are aroma diffusers that work without any water and any additional essential oils. If you don't believe it, watch this video. Hi, I'm Usha and I'm working at Stadler Farm. Today I'm going to present you the innovative aroma diffusers Lina, Tina and Lina with their unique fragrance globe system. Second, I'm going to show you what's included when you buy one of them. With these three aroma diffuser ladies, you can easily create a feel-good fragrance experience. You just need to lift the lid, put in the fragrance globe, close it again, press the on button and release the scent. To use the aroma diffusers Nina, Tina and Lina, you can choose from 6 different fragrance globes. From a sensual scent of vanilla and caramel, to a floral scent of jasmine, magnolia and rose petals, to a fresh aromatic fragrance of warm rosewood, patchouli and lavender. The fragrance globes are made of fused pearls enriched with a lot of lavishly enriched scent. There are 3 advantages in comparison to conventional aroma diffusers. First of all, you can carry them around without spilling any liquids. Second of all, you can change the scent as you wish. And third of all, you don't need to clean your device between changing the fragrance. So you can just insert your fragrance globe, feel good and relax. This is Nina. To use her right away, you can just plug her in with the USB cord, or you can charge her fully and then let her run on battery for up to 50 hours. Nina is equipped with 2 intensity levels. You can choose between a gentle or a more intense fragrance experience, and her beautiful atmospheric lighting is dimmable or quick to switch off. As a result of the subtle lighting, each fragrance globe creates a unique atmosphere and distributes its aroma for up to 4 weeks. Nina can perfectly be used in bathrooms, living rooms, or bedrooms. This is Tina. Exactly like aroma diffuser Nina, she can either be plugged in with a USB cable, or you can fully charge her and let her run on battery for up to 30 hours. The slim aroma diffuser lady Tina transforms small rooms and bathrooms in well-feeling oases. You can easily control the fragrance experience by twisting the lid. The more you open it, the better you smell the scent. This is Lina. Simple and straightforward, she's the smallest of the 3 aroma diffuser sisters. She scents her surroundings without power or cable. You can simply insert your choice of fragrance globe, screw open the cover until you reach the intensity aroma you like, or for an even stronger aroma experience, you can open the cover. Every package of the 3 aroma diffuser ladies, Nina, Tina and Lina, come with the fragrance globe white amber, so you can instantly start fragrancing your room. In the pack of Nina, Tina and Lina, there is also a manual and other informational material. Nina and Tina also come with a USB cable and an adapter, so they can be charged. That was it already. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye!